Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have a brand new unboxing for you guys of two new backdrops here. These are from Model Railroad Backdrops.com here. So yes, the secret is that they do awesome backdrops and you can use them pretty much on anything, even on model airports. So without further ado guys, let's get this unboxed. All right guys, here it is. Also, I'll leave the link in the description here for railroadbackdrops.com. All right guys, here's a good look at the backdrop here. As you guys can see, here's Diamond Head, as well as all the different hotels in the Waikiki. My favorite, Rainbow Tower here. Stayed there many, many times. Absolutely amazing here. Yes, I did opt for a larger size than the normal like in-scale type size, but I can move this down here so I can show the water line a little bit higher up and have in the background planes taxiing back and forth. So cannot wait for that, guys. I'll have to kind of mangle it through here to get it up, but here is the Honolulu backdrop for now, guys. Stay tuned for more. As you guys can see, this thing is pretty cool and pretty big, so check it out. Great work by Railroad Backdrops here. The Waikiki backdrop here from Model Railroad, or railroadbackdrops.com. It's just railroadbackdrops.com, but amazing job. Look at that, guys. Once my Honolulu airport comes too from layover layouts, you guys will be able to see that, as well as some of my tiles here. So stay tuned for that, guys. These are actually taken with real photographs here, guys. Panoramic style. I know it kind of looks like it is like not too real, I guess, but this is actually a real panoramic. So with a nice professional camera. So super cool here, guys. And it kind of blends the sky in too. So yeah, this is definitely where I'll be going for my future of backdrops here. Cannot wait to show you guys even more in the near future. So just want to take you guys for this quick video here. I know it's been a while. I've been really busy with life, as we all are. But yeah, a lot more great things coming in the near future, guys. I have so many projects going right now, I can't even name all of them. So stay tuned for that, guys. Until next time, Model Airport Nation here, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy collecting.